If you've ever wanted to create stunning AI-generated portraits or professional selfies without needing editing skills, then the Glam AI app is worth checking out. It's trending everywhere for its realistic results and ease of use. But does it really deliver what it promises? Let's find out how it works and how you can use it like a pro. So, in order to use Glam AI effectively and get the best results, you have to follow these steps. Once you open Glam AI, you'll see a simple and clean interface. You start by uploading around 8 to 10 clear selfies from different angles so the AI can learn your facial features accurately. After that, you can choose from various styles: professional headshots, model portraits, influencer looks, fantasy art, or themed visuals. Each one gives your photos a polished studio finish with perfect lighting and smooth backgrounds. One of Glam AI's biggest strengths is its speed. Within minutes, it generates several high-quality images that keep your natural look while enhancing sharpness and tone. You can make quick edits too. Adjust lighting, smooth skin, or blur backgrounds using built-in tools for that final professional touch. That said, Glam AI isn't flawless. Some outputs can look over-edited or slightly inconsistent if your uploaded photos are blurry or poorly lit. For best results, you need clear, well-lit selfies. Also, while basic features are free, premium styles and higher resolution outputs require in-app purchases, which might feel a bit pricey if you plan to use it often. Still, Glam AI stands out because it's incredibly easy to use. No photo editing experience needed. It's great for social media creators, professionals, or anyone who wants polished images without paying for a photographer. Its mix of speed, clarity, and diverse style options makes it one of the better AI photo tools available right now. So overall, Glam AI is definitely worth trying if you want quick, stylish portraits without effort. It's fun, beginner-friendly, and capable of producing surprisingly realistic results. Whether you need professional headshots or trendy AI selfies, Glam AI helps you achieve it all in just a few taps. And that's it.